Good day, everyone. Now, let us discuss a binomial coefficient. It refers to the way in which a number of objects may be grouped in various different ways without regard for orders. Okay, so how do we compute binomial coefficients? For computing binomial coefficients, the following formula is used. NR is equal to n factorial over r factorial times the quantity of n minus r factorial equals n times the quantity of n minus 1 times n minus 2 and so forth, n minus r plus 1 over r times the quantity of r minus 1 times r minus 2 and so forth, 2 times 1. The binomial coefficient formula may seem lengthy, but with the proper definition of a factorial, it will become clearer. The exclamation points are actually part of the formula, and they don't mean that the numbers are excited. The notation n factorial is called the factorial of n, and it means to multiply n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 times the every whole number down to 1. Let's say, for example, factorial of 5 is equal to 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 is equal to 120. So we have here an example 1. Compute the 7 and 3 using the two different ways. So we have n is equal to 7 and r is equal to 3. And we are computing 7 choose 3. Using factorials, we have computation of 7 and 3 is equal to 7 factorial over 3 factorial times the quantity of 7 minus 3 factorial is equal to 7 factorial over 3 factorial times 4 factorial is equal to 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 over 3 times 2 times 1 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So we have 5040 over 144, and it is equals to 35. To use the shortcut formula, first find out the value of n minus r plus 1, which is the 7 minus 3 plus 1, which is equal to 5. This will be the last factor on the top or in the numerator of the fraction. By the way, there will always be the same numbers of factors on the top or the numerator as the bottom or the denominator.